2004 Chevy Avalanche, 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single right there. Then what we got put on it for you guys, a Flow FX by Flowmaster, part number 71419. He didn't want it way too loud, so we got that taken care of. Then it comes like a double pipe into the muffler, so you have to cut that out and put a 3-inch pipe in its place right there, as you guys can do a new elbow there. And there's the old muffler that we hate, so we cut it off into he has already a 6-inch tip on it, black, right there. So it should sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There it is, Flow FX. Much better. Flow FX. Here's sound decibels. Again. 102, 103, it's perfect. Yeah. It's not going to drone too much inside or nothing. Anytime you get over 110, that's when it starts to drone inside. So I love the idle on these Chevys. Now it sounds like a truck. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. What do you guys think? I like it. It's nice and deep. Chevy Avalanche. Really beautiful truck. Drove all the way from Chattanooga, about 2.5 hours to get it done here. So we really appreciate it. And tell us what you guys think. And we thank him for coming in. We put a Flow FX on it for him. He had the tip already done somewhere else.